Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can follow a hashtag on Twitter. So to begin with, go into the search tab at the bottom, and first of all it's also worth mentioning that in order to do that you will have to use the web version of Twitter at twitter.com. Unfortunately it is not able to, you cannot execute it at the Twitter mobile app. So open up the search field, enter the hashtag that you would like to follow, tap search, then to its right, at the right side of the search field, tap on the 3 horizontal dots, and then go for the save search option. And now each time you will open the search, as you can see, you'll get the separate saved searches field, which will contain all the searches that you have, should I rather say, all the searches in general and all the hashtags that you have followed in particular. Once you no longer want to follow this hashtag or have it saved over here, just tap at the trash bin icon to its right, tap at the delete option, and that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.